anyway, stop having a fool, Jay. So this dress comes here. It is like a spandex type material. It is really nice. So, and I'm tired, y'all, for trying to do the little Mexican little Latino dancer, you know, all that, you know. But anyway. Babies, how are you? This is your girl Jay, baby. Yesterday, or the day before yesterday, I did a video, guys, on a rainbow haul, and I forgot to throw this dress. Well, I didn't really forget. I thought it was from Madrag, but it wasn't from Madrag. So today, I am going to give you this video today on just one of these dresses from Rainbow, and the other things are from Madrag. So please forgive your girls, but I just wanted to just get all of the dresses and stuff like that, anything that's open at the bottom, you know what I mean. I wanted to get that out the way last. So this first dress is a very nice dress. Look at this. It has the cut in the front for your boopy girls, honey, and she has long sleeve. This is very spring friendly. And let me move back a little bit, that way you can see. This is what she looked like. She's very form-fitting, very tight. She has also like a little slit thingy like that right there to show you little tattoos if you have them. She is burgundy, she is black, she is like a sky blue, white, and she is just gorgeous for a nice night out or a day out, whatever. So I'm just going to turn around a little bit so you can see her, what she looks like. She is form-fitting, she is nice. This dress right here is in a size large, and it comes from Rainbow. She's also $7, I want to say. $7 or something like, let me tear this off that way I can see. Yeah, she is $7 from, of course, off the clearance rack. Y'all know I am budget friendly. So this dress is just so gorgeous, guys. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. So I'm hoping you get the gist of her. I'm hoping that you can be able to see all of her because I really can't see from my camera. So this is what she looks like. And I didn't put on any shoes, but I do have lotion on today. Honey, I have lotion on today. Okay, so this is her. And like I said, she is 7 blickies, boo. 7 blickies. She ain't gonna focus. 7 blickies, so yes. Oh yeah, guys, the hair that I'm rocking today is from Aliexpress, Mslynn Hair. I have a video that's on her, so check that video out today also. Okay, so next outfit. Oh, this dress is from Madrag, and it has like a peekaboo type of teardrop in the front. It gathers up at the neck, like, you know, a nice little collar up there. It has ruffles on the side of the arms right here. And the colors is just so gorgeous. The ruffles comes all the way down here, all the way around, all the way to the back. So let me turn around, that way you could be able to see the back. The back has a zipper right here, and this dress is an extra large, and it's $9. So I'm really upset because I liked the dress when I first saw it, but now to put it on, I really not feeling it because I wish it was a large. Then also in the back of the dress that I'm going to show you, there was a string that was at the behind area, and I went to go and pull that string, and it put a hole in this dress. So I'm going to show you that. So this is what is right here, and my hand can go in that hole. I don't like that. This dress right here is a really nice dress. It has like the little rooster type of feathers down here, and which is okay, but you know, I wish that the dress was like a little bit more form-fitting. I could take it in some to fit me. I could do that, but right now, by me just trying it on, I don't like it. This next outfit is like a romper, and it has boots for days, guys. I like the way that the arms go on here because it is just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I like the wide arms. Now this is, how much was this thing? This right here was, okay, $9 at Madrag. So this is a romper. I love the colors that's on it. It is just gorgeous. It has like the string right here where you tie it only on the side. You can't go around with it. It is only on the side right there. It's like a pants, black pants. It's separated from the color, which is really beautiful. I think this right here is me. This is how I love to dress, like this. So I can appreciate this outfit right here. This outfit is an extra large. I could have even got away with getting it in a large, but I am super satisfied with it being the way it is. Look at, these are the arms right here. This is what the arms look like. So yes, I can appreciate an outfit like this. Really can. It brings the booty out just a little bit, just a little teeny bit, accentuate just a little bit that I don't have, you know, it brings it out, you know, that's what I'm saying, you know, if you know I ain't got it, put it into some clothes, that way we can bring it out and you can see it, you know, but this is what, like a tan, a white, and a black that's in it. I love the way it has my boobs, the way I can set my boobs up, y'all. I'm a boob lady, I mean, really. So also the arms, like I said, I like it. I like the way that it cuts down like that in the arm area. I love the fact that it has the little, you know, area right here. I love that. I love the fact that it has the string, which if the string don't go around nowhere else, you have to have it on the side right here because it don't go any further. That's it. So this is how you will be wearing this right here, which I think is really, really beautiful. It's really nice. This is a really classy one right here. You could be able to put your little, you know, your little purse on with it and your little heels, honey, and get to moving. This is very spring friendly. Very spring friendly. So I can appreciate this outfit, guys. $9 extra large at Madrag. Okay, baby dolls, this next dress shirt that I have on is a jean type material. It has diamonds and it has money signs all over it, and y'all know I told y'all I'm a cleavage girl, so I am going to definitely have all this out. On the back of it, it has boss on it, and it has dollar signs on it, back of it, and on the side of it, it has, it's like distress type stonewashed body, whatever it's called, bleached or whatever type situation. It has buttons that go all the way down here. The side of it has like the little slits, and it's long tailed at the bottom, which I really love. So yes, this, some people wear it as a shirt, but this was meant to be a dress. And I like the tail at the end because it goes all the way down, but it also accentuates that side if you want to have some side out. I like this dress. This dress was actually this dress, how much was this dress? I'll place it on the screen when I get ready to edit this video. I will place it down. I like the way that this dress is. I have it rolled up right now. On the sides, this do come off right here, and it has like the money sign has a button right here, but it does go down, so you can be able to wear it like closed in if you want to, but basically I like it like that because it gives me like more of a relaxed day. If you want to button it up more, you can button it up more and still, you know, have a lot of boob area going on. Let's button that up. So if you want to be a little bit less booby, you can do it like this, but you're still booby. You know, if you want to even go up further, you can, to be like this, but I don't like my boobs to be smashed. I like my boobs to be out, guys. I mean, it is what it is. So this is what she looks like. I probably could put on a pair of shorts or something with it, or some leggings. As far as me bending over, I don't have a problem with bending over because the back area protects you. And even if I bend over in the front, yeah, I may want to wear something with it. I just looked at it right here, and I don't want my little girl to be, you know, saying hello to people. So this will conclude my Madrag and also my one dress I got that I forgot yesterday from Rainbow. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. I will place how much this costs. This is an extra large right here, and it's from Madrag. I have another haul that will be probably next week. I'm not going to do any more this week because this week my days are tied up, guys. So I wanted to get these videos out to you guys. That way you can be able to see this beautiful face. Y'all, I'm upset. I got this damn bump right here. I'm so upset with my little double chin. But anyway, so I will place everything that you need to know where I got the things from. And also I think on the other ones I said the pricing of what it was, how much it cost or whatever. I will let you know the price of this one right here. This is the only one that I think I don't have the price to. So that is Madrag, and it is one Rainbow shop outfit. So if you like this video, you want more videos, more hauls, more clothing hauls, or any shoes haul, let me know. And I will make sure to get it to you. This hair, like I said, is Mslynn Hair, if anybody want to know, from off of Aliexpress. And I did a video on her, and I will let you know where you can purchase her at. if you would like to get your hands on her. And I'm gonna tell you, honey, she went through all of these clothes with me today, and she's still acting good. So this is some good hair, because I'm sweaty, I'm telling you. But anyway, so if you like this video, thumbs up this video, like this video, share this video, let everybody know that they got nice things, affordable things at Madrag, affordable things at Rainbow Shop. And also, you guys know, like J Baby always says, first off, I need y'all to push that taco bell, and subscribe to the channel. Then also, a lot of you guys been asking me about my Instagram. My Instagram is jbaby1971. Okay? So, y'all know, like J Baby always says, girl, what the hell do you be saying? Because I don't know. Y'all almost fell. Anyway, J Baby be saying, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.